The Sukhoi Su-57 Felon is an advanced fighter aircraft designed to provide air superiority on the modern battlefield. This aircraft is a development of the PAK FA, Perspektivny Aviatssionny complex Frontovoy Aviatsii project, which began in early 2000. Development of the aircraft began in early 2000, and the first prototype flew in 2010. Russia plans to replace the fourth-generation fighter with the Sukhoi Su-57 in the Russian Air Force. Aircraft engines uses two NPO Saturn Izdalie 30 turbofan engines. Super cruise capability, able to fly at high speeds without using afterburner maximum aircraft speed. Mach 2 or more than 2,500 km/h aircraft range, 3,500 km maximum height in the air, 20,000 meters or 65,000 feet. Aircraft dimensions and weight. Aircraft length 19.8 meters, airplane wingspan 13.95 meters, aircraft height 4.74 meters, empty aircraft weight 18,500 kg maximum. Aircraft takeoff, weight 35,000 kilos. Fighter aircraft, stealth technology plane, geometry, radar absorption materials, stealth cover, internal weapon bay, thermal management system, electronic warfare, capabilities, push, vector, passive sensor system. Weapons and radar long-range and short-range air-to-air missiles, R-77, R-37M missiles, KH-59 Mk2, KH-58 USHKE, and KH-38 MLE air-to-ground missiles. Precision bombs and munitions for land attack and anti-ship operations, KAB-250, KAB-500, and KAB-1500 bombs. Nuclear weapons, 30mm autocannon, electronic and counter-electronic weapons, avionics and electronics ESA, active electronically scanned array. Radar Izdalie 30 avionics suite.